Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a hubcap on a Nissan Versa. Begin by loosening lug nuts slightly if the wheel is exposed, then lift the edge of the hubcap with a plastic pry tool placed behind a notch. Work around the cap evenly to avoid bending it. If the hubcap is clipped, pull firmly at the valve stem area for leverage. Keep parts organized and set the cap on a clean surface. Gather your tools and prepare the area before you start. A plastic trim tool is best to protect finishes, but a cloth-wrapped screwdriver will work in a pinch. Position the vehicle on stable ground and block wheels to prevent movement. Locate the notch or lip on the hubcap and identify clip positions. Work slowly and apply even pressure around the circumference to pop clips free without warping the cap. Start at the valve stem or factory notch and insert your tool gently, prying outward until you feel a clip release. Move to the next clip and repeat, working evenly to avoid stressing any single point. Once all clips release, pull the hubcap straight off and set it face down on a clean towel. Inspect clips for damage and clean any dirt or corrosion before reinstalling to ensure a secure fit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.